Yo, what is up? This is Kartik and welcome to IDALS. Guys, I'm going to teach you all an intermediate choreography on Ye by Usher. Guys, the musicality of this choreography is intermediate, but it's really fast. But I'm so sure that it's going to be fun because the song is 100% vibe. With me, I have my homie Kartik, and we'll make sure that y'all will learn it very easily and we make sure that y'all will vibe with us. So let's go, guys. Peace. Okay guys, so we are starting with the first section. I hope everybody's ready. I hope everybody's warmed up. It is very necessary to warm up. Make sure you all are warmed up. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, so the first move is you are taking a glide. 5, 6, 7, go, glide. And after finishing the glide, you lift your right leg up. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. It's glide up. So my counts are like 8 and. Okay, it starts on 8. So it goes like 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Very nice. Okay, now with this, your hands, you'll take a wave and you'll come to this pose. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. It's a wave pose. Okay, with the leg. 5, 6, 7, go. Ha and. फिर से एक बार. 5, 6 on 8. Okay, I'm sorry, on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Okay, I hope you all got it. Now after this, I'll do a kick and I'll shift my weight on my right leg like this. Okay, so it's like ha. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. It's like kick, ha. Now with this, your hands, your left hand was like this. You'll swing your left hand. You'll throw your right hand. 5, 6, 7, go. You'll swing, throw. 5, 6, 7, go. Swing, throw. Okay, slow. From here, 5, 6, 7, go. Swing, throw. 5, 6, 7, go. Swing, throw. So the actual piece starts from here. It is 1 and. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and. Okay. Now after this, you will jump, and while jumping, you'll do this point. Okay. Towards the left side and make sure your body is leaned. Yes. Now from here, you'll go towards this side. It is like this. What do we say? Fresno. Okay. Fresno popping. Okay. This. Yes. Exactly same thing. 1, 2, coming back. So 5, 6, 7, go. We did this, this, this. Now after doing this, broken leg. Very nice. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, back, broken leg. Very nice. Okay. Now your hands, first you pointed and now you have to cover your face. Then again you have to cover your face. First you're covering your face with the right hand, then left hand, then doing nothing, only your broken leg. Okay, now after completing your broken leg, you'll throw your right hand like this. Okay, very nice. Okay, from here, 5, 6, 7, go. Cover, cover, tuck, tuck. Okay, now make sure this texture is different. Okay, this is normal pose, this is normal pose, this is very, that makkan. Okay, like that. 5, 6, 7, go. Cover, cover, and then tuck. Very nice. Okay, so can we take it from the top? Yeah. Okay, we are starting from 8 hand, 1 and, 2, ha, ha, ha. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8 and, 1 and, 2 and, he. Okay, now this comes on 4. Okay, this comes on 1 and, 2 and, 3, 4 and. Okay, so there is a small pause in between. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 and, 1 and, 2 and, 3, 4 and. Very nice. One more time. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 and, 1 and, 2 and, 3, 4 and. Very nice, guys. Okay, आगे बढ़ते. Now from here, step your right leg, step your left leg, step your right leg, step your left leg. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. It's right, left, right, left. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left. Okay. Okay. Now your hands will be like Okay. The first move is you're swinging your left hand, again the same thing जैसे अपने पहले किया था. Now from here you hold and pull down. So it goes like 1 and 2 and. Okay. With your legs we did this. 5, 6, 7, go. 5 and 6 and. One last time. 5, 6, 7, go. 5 and 6 and. Okay. Now from here, you'll take a wave. Then wave. Okay, now you make sure your wave is coming from this part. Okay, we don't want to do this. We just want to do this. Okay, your wave is starting from here. Here. Very nice. 5, 6. One more time. The same move. 5, 6, 7. Go. Hey. 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 Whoo. Ha. And hey. Hey. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Your hand movements will be like wearing a garland. Then pulling something like this. Make sure your left hand is like holding a shoulder like this. And pulling. Okay. It's like hugging Kartik. Okay. It's like hug. Yes. It's like you have to press that thing. Very nice. Okay. So from here and here. Both the waves. 5, 6, 7. Go. Wave. Wave. Very nice. Okay. Can we take it from 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, let's do it. Chalo. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Okay. From the top and then we'll move ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. Okay, let's quickly move forward. Okay, so the next step is we'll jump towards our right side. We'll step our left leg. We'll step our right leg. So it goes like 1 and 2. Okay, on this rhythm. 1 and 2. Okay, let's try this shit. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. Very nice. I hope you all got the legs. Your hands will be like open, tuck, tuck. Now the texture is like ha. It's like woo. Okay, it's not a tuck, tuck, 3 different moves. It is like single move. 1 and 2. But your legs are like 3 different moves. And your hand is like single move. 5, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, go. Hey. Ha. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Hey. Now make sure you are showing that levels, okay? One last time. 5, 6, 7, go. Hey. Okay, let's move ahead from here. Jump on your right leg. Shift. Place. Okay? Make sure you're shifting. 5, 6, 7, go. Shift. Place. Now again the same thing. Shift. Then place. This place is normal. Okay? Not too much, but only this much. Okay. Come here. 5, 6, 7, go. Hey, 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 hey. Okay? Now your hands will be like, taking a change. Holding something. Holding a ball. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. Change. Holding a ball. Throwing it. Holding 2 balls.